In this video, we will demonstrate how to find City of Edmonton opportunities. These opportunities include requests for information, requests for proposals, and requests for tenders in SAP Ariba. There are three methods to locating these opportunities. The first method is through the existing Alberta Purchasing Connection webpage. City of Edmonton opportunities will continue to be posted on the Alberta Purchasing Connection website. However, they will now provide a direct link to the SAP Ariba Discovery posting where you will now respond to the event. To view this link, you will need an SAP Ariba Network Supplier account. On the Alberta Purchasing Connection website, click the Search Opportunities button if you know the specific details of the opportunity you are looking to locate. Alternatively, click Browse Opportunities to see all open sourcing opportunities in the province of Alberta. Click the Search Opportunities button. On the search page, type in any keywords and input any other specific information of the opportunity that you wish to locate. Click Search or hit the Enter key to execute the search. Click the opportunity name to view more information about the opportunity. Under Bid Information, copy one of the Ariba Discovery links and paste it into your browser's search bar. This will redirect you to the opportunity in SAP Ariba Discovery. In Ariba Discovery, the user can see information about the posting, respond to the posting, and ask a publicly viewable question to the party who posted the opportunity. If the opportunity in APC does not have a bid information section, you can access the Ariba Discovery posting by clicking on the View Bid Package button on the right-hand side of the screen. On the following screen, in the Bid Package section, click the Sourcing Event Notification document and open the PDF file. In the Sourcing Event Notification PDF, scroll down and click the Ariba Discovery link to be redirected to the opportunity in SAP Ariba Discovery. In Ariba Discovery, the user can see information about the posting, respond to the posting, and ask a publicly viewable question to the party who posted the opportunity. A second method of reviewing the current City of Edmonton opportunities on SAP Ariba Discovery is to log into the City of Edmonton public profile on SAP Ariba Discovery, the link to which is on our corporate webpage. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the City of Edmonton's public SAP Ariba profile. This is where you will be able to view all open City of Edmonton bids. You can then click on the link for the individual postings to be brought to a detailed overview of that sourcing opportunity. To view this list, you do not need an SAP Ariba Network Supplier account. However, you will need an account to respond to a posting. Once you have followed the link to the specific posting, you will be able to review the SAP Ariba Discovery information about the bid. For example, you can see that this posting is a request for information. We can also see that the estimated contract length is 7 months and the response deadline is May 31st, 2019 at 11:59 p.m. Please note, bids will not be accepted past the closing deadline. It is also possible to see the product and service categories for this bid and a ship to or service locations that you would need to have been registered for in order to be notified for this opportunity. If you see any product and service categories that are not a part of your profile and should be, you can update your profile so that you will be notified for future opportunities. Finally, you can ask questions to the buyer on the Ariba Discovery posting. Please note that questions and answers asked at this point will be publicly displayed. A third way to view City of Edmonton opportunities on SAP Ariba Discovery is to perform a search through the Ariba Discovery app inside of the SAP Ariba supplier interface. To access this function, navigate to the Leads application inside of SAP Ariba. Select Leads, and then All Leads. You will be brought to the search page for potential opportunities from here, and you can type in any search criteria and use the refining filters to search for leads. For example, searching leads using the City of Edmonton as your search criteria will bring up all City of Edmonton postings that are currently active inside of SAP Ariba. Navigate the search results, and once you locate an opportunity of interest, click the name of the opportunity to be taken to that specific Sourcing Opportunities dedicated page. On this page, you can view the details of the event, like the opportunity amount, contract length, and the response deadline. You can also view the product and service categories and the ship to or service locations of the opportunity. If you have questions, you can ask the buyer a publicly visible question in the questions and answers field. If you wish to respond to the opportunity, click the yellow Respond to Posting button. To recap, there are 3 methods to locate City of Edmonton opportunities. The first method is to locate opportunities through the Alberta Purchasing Connection website. The second method is to locate opportunities on the City of Edmonton public profile on SAP Ariba Discovery. And the third method to locating opportunities is to search through the SAP Ariba Discovery postings.